Hey gut feelers, welcome back. Good morning, it's morning here. I just got up and did some work and also had some lemon water, of course. You might see that in the background. Yeah, there. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you what I have in my bathroom, not in my fridge or in my kitchen, in my bathroom, because you asked me like what personal care products do I use, what do I put on my skin. That's what we're going to find out today. And I hope this is going to be interesting for you. For me personally, it's super boring. It's going to be super quick and not very fancy, but here you go. So let's make our way over there to the bathroom, right? Let's have a sip of lemon water before. Always good. Practice what you preach, right? So there you see me. Celery would be even better, but I don't have a juicer yet. So most important thing is you do what you can and I do what I can, and that's good enough. We are all good enough. All right, welcome to the bathroom. So just a tour, very simple. You know, we have a really nice shower and lights and a mirror. And there we go. So here we have dirty underwear from Peggy, great. We have magnesium oil and my favorite colloidal silver, which I sometimes use. I have also another colloidal silver still here from Germany. This is a little bit thicker. I like to put that if I cut myself, for example, on wounds or anything like that. So the magnesium oil, this is really awesome just for outside. It's topical use. You can just watch the leg, you just spray it here and then let it soak in, and once it's soaked in you can wash it off. So this basically allows the body to you don't just put anything on, you don't just put anything in your body, or worse, like straight in the blood, all this kind of iron infusion or something like that. Not a nice thing for your body, because then your body can't really decide, do I need this? Does this throw off my mineral balance? How much do I want from it? And then topical, then through the skin, you can actually just absorb the magnesium that you want, and anything else you will just wash off later. Okay, but that was just a little preview because it's standing here. Okay, there we go. Lovely mess. What do we have here? So not many. So first of all, I don't have many things, so it's going to be a short tour, I think. So this is Bach Flower Emergency Residency. Residency, yeah, sure. I'm just applying for my permanent residency in Panama. So what I wanted to say is emergency remedy. So, okay. And then here I have all the fancy stuff, so I look cute on YouTube. It's all organic, organic certified stuff, so nothing super toxic for my body. This is eyeshadow, yeah, you can see. It's for the ladies, you know, lipstick and for the eyelashes, and that's about my cosmetic thing that I have. And that's about it. So then here, nothing. Oh, some disinfection when I'm traveling. I try not to use that too much, because that's an important thing. Whenever you put something like disinfecting from your skin, you put that on your skin. Yes, of course, you protect yourself from any kind of, herpes virus or other, or for example, Epstein-Barr or shingles or whatever you could pick up on any doorknob, right? So that's a good thing. But in general, I try not to use those, because the skin naturally has a bacterial film all around it. So you don't, which is protective, which is good bacteria. This is why you will see that my bathroom area over there is looking very, very minimalistic as well. I'm going to come back to that. Okay, vacuum. This one is still from Germany when I was there in summer, and I didn't have fresh aloe, so just aloe vera gel as well for the skin, for moisturizing the skin. Put that stuff back in. So here, oh, this is just hair ties and sewing stuff. Hard to open everything with one hand, I can tell you. Sewing stuff. Guess what this is for? Clip your nails. One brush. I'm a little bit proud of my minimalistic wardrobe, I think. So then we have, this is an organic deo. Also without aluminium, non-toxic, doesn't smell like anything. I like Desert Essence here. This is a US brand that you can get in Panama. Yeah, some razors. This is for the lips, to keep the lips moist. I never use this. I sometimes use it if I have a cold, and then I use it here around the nose so it doesn't get so red and itchy. But in general, I don't put anything there. This is a mist. Yay! Just etheric oils when I feel like I need some blessing. Ah, smells amazing. Ah, I wish I could spray it for you, but then you don't smell anything and the camera is gonna be dirty, so I'm not gonna do that. A few etheric oils that you might have seen in other videos. This is lavender, lemongrass and peppermint that I like to use for traveling. Yeah, a brush, dry brush, sometimes also use it in the sauna. Not that you would need a sauna in Panama, but okay, guys, and then we are already here, which is the area, the teeth cleaning area. So I have two toothpastes. I also did my own toothpaste. Right now I'm running out of that. This is the one from Germany, Lavera. I really like that brand. Very gentle, and that one is Desert Essence again. I talked about that in the toothpaste video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it up here right now for you. There are two different toothbrushes. My Philips Sonicare that I usually use is still in transit, and some dental floss. What's this? Oh, this is from a spa I went to, just a razor thing. And then here from Veleda, this is for strengthening the gums. I got that as a present, so yeah, I'm not really using it much, but tastes nice. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, toilet paper. Wow. Scale, and this is gonna be, this is it, guys. Here we have the only thing I use in the shower. This is almost empty, it's still from Germany, like 4.5 months ago. And this one is Desert Essence again, like a little, you know, little tester for traveling, because I never use much of that. So this is coconut shampoo. Really clean ingredients, and that's all I use. Now here's the thing about all those shampoos and shower gels that you put on your body. For me, like when I was younger, I remember my mother always said like, why don't you use like this shower gel and things like that? And I was always like, yeah, I don't know, it's kind of, I either didn't like the smell, or I just I remember what I really didn't like is when I showered, and then I always felt like the whole my body was like the skin was kind of drained of, I don't know, I might call it life force. That sounds a little bit strong. That shower gel wraps your steals your life force, but somehow it didn't really feel good to my body, like intuitively. And later on I found out that what I shared with you before, that the skin has its own bacterial film, a good protective bacterial film to keep us from getting infected from our environment, because everything, you know, there's bacteria everywhere, like both pathogenic and beneficial one. So having like your own protection system is your skin. So when you apply shower gel and all kinds of shampoo and stuff, then you disrupt this natural biofilm. So that's what I'm not doing. You might think, why? You mean not even like nowhere on your body? And I can tell you, no, all I use is water. And I don't think, so if you feel like, oh, I'm a woman, yeah, but I need to use like all of those, you know, all of those shower gels everywhere on my body. Well, I don't do that, and I've got very good, I get very good feedback from the opposite sex, so don't worry. The worst thing you can do is like apply everywhere shower gel, and then you disrupt the film, and then your body gets like irritated, and then you need to use all those lotions again. So one of the really clever things from the industry of shampoo and shower gel and all kinds of personal care stuff is to first you rip away the protective film, and then you need to put on an extra layer of protection with like lotion and stuff, because you first disrupted it. If you don't do neither of them, you don't need so many personal care products. Now this is my personal take. I know like some people just like the shower gel and the smell and stuff like that. I personally don't. I rather use etheric oils if I want to smell something. But if you really like that, I don't want to take that away from you. I just wanted to share what I'm doing and intuitively what works best for me. Now the shampoo, I just use, like I shower my hair, like sometimes I make it wet, but usually it's just like once per week or less even. And I use like this tiny bit of shampoo. I didn't use any shampoo for 4 years or any other kind of products on my body apart from coconut oil and aloe vera. I came back to the shampoo thing just a little bit because I felt like my hair is more fluffy, and sometimes I like to look fluffy on the YouTube videos. So that's one reason why I'm using shampoo again. But you really don't need to. Your hair prefers no shampoo, and it doesn't dry out so much. Sometimes I put some coconut oil here in the end part of the hair when I'm outside and the sun was really intense, or I was at the beach and it dried out a little bit. But in general, I don't use anything. Now guys, I want to know from you, was this interesting for you to learn about what I have in my bathroom closet? Maybe you think like, oh my god, this woman is crazy. That's okay. I found my way, what works for me. Let me know, do you have any questions? How does it look in your bathroom? Is it the opposite? Do you have like everything full? And I mean, I have friends where we just come in and let everything smells like 10 different smells, and it's the whole area where the sink is already like full of stuff. It's not bad, you know. It's kind of interesting. I always look like, this is interesting, and it's just not me. For me, it looks like that. How does it look for you? Let me know in the comments below.